Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, today we are going to deal with a very important lesson, and this lesson concerns the part of morphology. So, it is affixation. So, what is affixation? Affixation, it is the adding of words to a root, or some people call it a stem or base form. Example, if we take the word unhappiness, so this word here is divided into three parts. This is the first part here, and this is the second part, and this is the third part here. So this word here, this part of the word in the middle here, it is called the root or the stem or the base form. So how do we know that this word here is the base form? So when we remove the prefix and remove the suffix, so the part of the word which is left here, we call it the root. And this root here, it must have a meaning. This is one. And number two, it cannot be divided. It's very important here. It must have a meaning and it cannot be divided. If these words here if you add the words at the beginning of the word, it means on the left of the root, then we call it a prefix. Whenever you hear prefix, think about this word here before. If the words are added to the left, to the right, and here, so we call it a suffix. So whenever you hear the word suffix, think about after. So prefix before the root, suffix after. Let's take some examples here. The word here, happy. So here I added the prefix an, un, to the word happy, and then I obtained unhappy, which is a new word. Two, I took as an example health, and I added the suffix full, then I obtained a new word which is helpful. Example number three, respect. So I added a prefix this, and I added a suffix ed, so I obtained disrespected. So this is just to show you that some words can have prefixes, some words can have suffixes, and some words can have prefixes and suffixes, like this one here. And in English, of course, some words may have more than one prefix, and other words can have more than one suffix. For example, beautifully. So this is my root here, as you can see, beauty. And this is the suffix, adjective suffix full. And this is another suffix here, which is adverb suffix ny. Second example, insubordination. So you've got two prefixes. You've got the in here, and sub, sub, and this is the root. So is affixation important? Yes, of course. Why? Because it helps you form new